How to download video from Facebook. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And let's say, for example, I wanted to download a random video. Say, for example, this one right here. What you need to do is click on the three dots, whether they are at the bottom right of the video or on the top right of the video. It doesn't matter. Just click on them, and this menu list will appear from which you want to click on copy link. And once the link has been copied, you need to go back and open up any browser you have and search for Facebook video download. As you can see, it has gave us a lot of results from which you can choose from, and they basically all do the same job. They all work the same way. Just pick any one of them. Say, for example, this one right here. And what you need to do here is you need to paste the link that you have copied and then click download, and you wait for the rendering. Once the website gives you this page right here, you need to select the quality of your video and click download next to it, and your video will be automatically downloaded and you can find it in your files. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download video from Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.